leading infrastructure provider in the world.
Hello everyone, I'm Tron Bui. If you want to live stream 24/7 to YouTube, Facebook, or other platforms but don't want to use OBS because it's too heavy or because your computer has to stay on all day and night, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to live stream automatically without having to open OBS, super lightweight and stable, by using a command line tool called FFmpeg running directly on a Linux VPS. This solution is perfect if you have a Linux VPS, for example, Ubuntu 20.04 or 22.04, and you want to stream a video on repeat, like chill music, a podcast, or pre-recorded content. We'll use FFmpeg to send that video to the live stream server, like YouTube, running continuously without needing to open any graphical software. First, you log into your VPS via SSH. There are many SSH client programs. You can use whichever you're familiar with. For example, I usually use MobaXterm. I've already saved the SSH credentials for my VPS, so I just need to log in as the root user. As you can see on the screen, I have a VPS running Ubuntu that was created through upnet.vn. Next, install FFmpeg by running the commands sudo apt update and then sudo apt install ffmpeg-y. Wait for it to finish installing. It usually takes a few minutes, so I'll skip ahead to the result. After the installation is done, upload the video you want to play to the VPS. You can use the get command to download directly from a link or, like me, simply prepare a folder on your personal computer to upload to the VPS via MobaXterm. In the folder, I have 3 files ready like this. The file named Livestream.sh is the one that contains the livestream configuration. You can take a screenshot, or in the description below, I've already included the file content. Just replace it with your livestream key. The next file is the one that contains the list of videos that will be played in rotation. Make sure to follow the same syntax as I did. Now, I'll create a stream folder on the VPS using MobaXterm and then upload the files. Alright, I've finished uploading. Now, type cd and the folder name to access the directory. To edit the live stream key, type nano followed by the name of the configuration file. Now, update the key. Then press Ctrl+O to save and Ctrl+X to exit. Finally, type //livestream.sh and hit enter. That's it, you're all set. Check your YouTube channel to see if everything's working. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to support me in making more great content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.